It's unit practice part 1. I'll probably do about, 2-3 questions with you, for you, and then you'll do the rest of this in part 2 on your own. Strongly recommend in your Google Classroom clicking on the metric ladder picture, the one I opened to the right, and kind of setting your screen up like this so you can do this accurately and make sure you get all the answers correct. So let me pull up my drawing tool over here. On this screen here, I guess I could pull up that tool there too. For number 1, it says 9 liters. L is how many centiliters, CL. Here is my L. Here is my C. So start at the L, 1 to the right, 2 to the right is what I'm doing. Remember, 9, if it doesn't have a decimal, the decimal is always after it. And we said 2 to the right, 1, 2 becomes 900. So number 1, 9 liters is equal to 900 centiliters, 1A. All right, let's do another one. Then you'll do 2 maybe on your own ahead of time and then check if you're right. 3 DAL deciliters is how many D deciliters. Doesn't matter. Like, we don't use those ones very often, but find the abbreviation DA. And actually, let me get rid of those ones so it's a little neater. Here is DA. That's where we're going to start. And then where is D? Right here. So start at the first arrow. 1, 2 to the right. 3. Since there's no decimal, we automatically put it at the end of the number. And we said we went 2 to the right. So that becomes 300. So 3 deciliters becomes 3 deciliters. Try doing 2A and 2B on your own. So press pause before I go over the answers to make sure you got them right. Again, press pause. It's much better for you to practice and then check where you messed up than just copy what I write. All right. We're starting with ML, milliliters. Here's my M over here on the ladder. Then we're going to a D, which is deciliters. So I find my D right here. Start at my first point, M. 1, 2 to the left. There's no decimal, so we put it at the end as always. 390 is the same as 390 point, or decimal. How many did we move? We went M, 1, 2 to the left. So I'm moving this 1, 2 to the left and making that 3.9. So hopefully you got that one right. And then we shall check your last one that you tried on your own before you do the rest on your own. 300 ml. Where is M? Here is M. Goes to DL. Oh, that's a nice one. It's the same one we just did, the same conversion. 1, 2 to the left. 300 doesn't have a decimal, so we put it at the end. 1, 2 to the left becomes 3. Just 3, or if you want to be safe, 3.00 would be the same thing. All right, continue working on the rest of those, and hopefully you're good, and if not, call me over for help.